I think that you've done some great things in regards to changing your lifestyle. You're eating better, you're exercising, and you're doing a lot of the right things, good things. But I think that what you're doing has maintained you to this point. But there is another side of all of this where it's a breakthrough for you, where you kind of open this door and take your health to a whole other level. And I do think that that is very possible for you, because like even right now, but you're doing the right things, like you mentioned it, like, I'm doing the right things, I feel good. But if something is off for a day or two too long, I start to feel some things, right? So it's sustaining you, but it's not at a level to heal you. And so you're doing the right thing, so you're not going to go backwards, but like that breakthrough that you're looking for, it's not going to break you through. It's going to kind of keep you in a good space, but there's so much more that can open up for you. And I do think that it's possible. And how you're looking at it and the conclusions that you came to, I think are spot on. The origin is the gut. Like, you have to heal your gut. And in doing that, it changes everything.